how we can upload an assignment on MS Teams. There are so many ways, but today we will learn by this way. We will click on the class where we want to upload an assignment. In the assignment tab, when we click on the assignment tab, this window will get appear on our screen. Here you can see the create option. You can see this option create. When you click on this option, these three options will get appear: assignment, quiz and form existing. So we are going to create an assignment today. So I'm just going to click on the assignment. You can see all things are user friendly because title is given. You have to give the title whatever your subject is, and you are giving the adverb or verb or any other thing related to your English subject, math subject, science or any other that you are using. So give your title here, and after that if you wanted to give the instruction to the student, whatever the instructions should be as you give into the class, you can give your instructions here as well. Open page number 13 of textbook. So student will understand what he or she has to do. Here you can click on the add resource. When you click on the add resource, one more window will get appear on your screen, and that shows you how you can upload your work. There's so many ways to upload the work, but I'm just going to click on the upload from this device. And here I'm just going to click on the upload. When it is uploaded, click on the done option, and here you can give the points. It's of 20 points, so you can add your rubric as well, and you can assign this class, or even you can assign to another class. This option is here to tell you which class is eligible to assign for this. So you can take your class from here and you can add even one more class into it. I'm just adding 40 as well because these two classes are parallel, so they have to go with the same assignment. This means that at what date your assignment will expire. Here is one more option that is added: assignment will post immediately with late turn-ins allowed. If you wanted your students to be late turn-ins, it means if you have given the time limit in the due date that you have to do the work until that time, like you have given Thursday June 11 till time is 11:59 p.m. and afterwards students are turning in, and you are allowing them by clicking on this option. Go here and change the settings of this. When this window will open, you can see schedule to an assignment in the future. I will just click on it to schedule it for tomorrow. So it's 11 already. Choose the time, what the time of the class is. Due date, you have to give the due date. You can give the due date previously. If you wanted to give the whole week, you can give. It's up to you. Assignment will post on Thursday June 11, okay, and its due date is on Friday PM. Late turn-ins allowed. If we will look on this closing date, the student will not be able to do the late turn-ins. If we wanted to allow them, then we will not click on it, we will uncheck it, okay. So you can see if a student is allowed, then late turn-ins allowed. If I will check it, then it's not allowed. So I'm just going to check it and then click on the done option. My assignment is ready now. I'm just going to click on the schedule and it will go to the schedule option. Thank you so much for watching this.